Hi there! The final design is right here with me. Do you want to see how it looks on? Let's see. Voila! So I did an extra row of slip stitch all the way around the outline, and I added 2 buttons that I can open whenever I want and try out on a way to wear this shawl. Even though it looks symmetrical in the back side, it's not symmetrical in the front side, but I can move it so it looks the way I want it to look. I can try it out in different ways so it's more comfortable or stylish or fashionable. Okay, it's really up to me, but I designed it to be exactly this way. I like how these 2 corners are pointing to the same side. This looks like with an intention, well designed, but of course you can play with it to different sides. It's quite playful, don't you think? So this is the final design. I hope you liked this series of videos in which I showed you the process of making my woven patchwork, how to join the pieces, how to don't panic while you decide how to join those pieces, which is the design you're going to finally make. So I hope I really inspired you, that you learned a lot, and of course I especially want to see what you have made. Okay, so see you in the next project. Bye bye.